Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make funnel cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for frying, have about 4 cups of vegetable oil ready to go. These are the essentials for a perfect, crispy treat. Now let's get that batter mixed up. In a large bowl, whisk together your milk, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract until they are well blended. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and that pinch of salt. Then, slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, whisking gently until everything is just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are fine. We don't want to overmix it for the best texture. Next up, the fun part, frying. Heat your 4 cups of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to a precise 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of your batter into a funnel, making sure to keep the bottom opening closed. Then, release the batter into the hot oil in a continuous, circular, and overlapping motion, starting from the center. Fry each side for about 1 minute until it's beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches. Carefully remove your golden funnel cake from the hot oil using tongs or a slotted spoon. Place it on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil, ensuring it stays perfectly crispy. Let it cool for just a minute or two. Then, for that classic, irresistible taste, dust it generously with powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade funnel cake, a truly delicious and fun treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.